Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make money using ChatGPT AI in 2023. Do you know that you can earn money using ChatGPT? It's pretty easy to do. I'll tell you two ways to earn money from ChatGPT. First, you need to open your Google browser and then you need to go to ChatGPT. If you have a website, we can write a blog through ChatGPT. That way, you can increase the traffic of your website and earn money through Google AdSense. If you don't have a website, don't worry, you can easily create a website for free. There are many YouTube videos about it. It's a small thing to do. First, you need to go to ChatGPT, then give a clear description of how your blog should be created. All you have to do is wait. ChatGPT will write your blog post very well. Second way is we can make video script by using ChatGPT. You can easily write scripts for YouTube videos using ChatGPT. That way you can make money from YouTube also. Ask ChatGPT to write a script for a YouTube video. It will write one for you. All you have to do is edit a video by using that script. So then you can upload that video to YouTube. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.